Bullish OMG organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5.26 and $11.46 by 2030. Market investigators accept OMG could reach $5.26 by 2025. Bearish OMG organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 93 cents. OMG organization presentation. The OMG organization is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain designed to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a clump, which can then be checked as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain. As per OMG organization, this innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to huge number of exchanges each second, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is at present able to do. The organization depends on a clever scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by Omisco, an auxiliary of Omise. What is OMG organization? OMG organization is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens essentially quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG organization is classified OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange expenses on the OMG organization. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable, and that implies that holders of the tokens can procure compensations for assisting with getting the organization. OMG organization was previously known as Omisco. It was established in 2017 by Jun Hasegawa and Donnie Harinsa. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was gained by Omise, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG value history. The OMG token was first recorded on digital money trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. In any case, the cost then, at that point, encountered a rectification, arriving at a neighborhood low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November-December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its untouched high of $32.29 on the 8th of January 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has changed moderately consistently between around $1 and $4. On the 15th of February 2018, Omise declared that it had cooperated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news ignited restored revenue in the OMG token and brought about a critical cost increment throughout the next days. Omisco is intended to empower constant, distributed esteem trade and installment administrations across locales and hierarchical storehouses in both government-issued currency and decentralized monetary forms. OMG specialized examination. The generally speaking negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th EMAS going about as a unique obstruction. This is a specialized pointer that shows long-haul financial backer opinion. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or hanging tight for a more critical dunk prior to repurchasing it. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, in any event, a relief from the solid negative pattern. In the H4 time period, the cost hit a help level, making a rising channel. This could demonstrate an inversion in pattern, or at any rate, a time of union before the following move. Besides, on the day-to-day time span, we can see that cost has likewise tracked down help and has started to frame a transformed head and shoulders design. In the event that this example works out true to form, it could flag a move back up to ATHs. Consequently, while there are still a few worries in the market generally, signs propose that Ethereum might be prepared to without further ado stage a recuperation. For those keen on financial planning, watching out for these advancements will be significant in settling on informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the limits of a clear-cut cost channel. OMG organization current cost. OMG organization is right now worth $1.17 USD. OMG has moved 2.81% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,874,113. OMG organization is as of now positioned 135 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $164,015,273 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous OMG organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2022. OMG Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The OMG cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.75. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.64 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. OMG is supposed to have a base worth of $1.40. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, OMG Organization OMG cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform $2.92. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the OMG's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.34 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.57. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.09 and OMG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.74 and a low of $3.51 in 2024. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming OMG Organization effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2025. The OMG is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.26, with a base cost of $4.68 and a typical cost of $4.91. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the OMG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.08 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.85 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, OMG has a greatest value worth of $6.43. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.25. In the event that OMG figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7.60. Neglecting to assemble the help OMG needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $7.02. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. While OMG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.